Hi, my name is Kristen. I work here at Tufts Health Plan, and this is the Medicare Minute. In September, Tufts Medicare Preferred HMO members receive an Evidence of Coverage, or EOC, booklet. The EOC has all the benefit information you need for the upcoming year. It lists all your benefits and costs and explains how your plan works. It's one of the most important documents members receive, so you'll want to make sure you know how to use it. In this video, we'll go over some of the things to know about your EOC. On the cover of your EOC, you'll see the name of your plan. Chapter 1 includes details about your monthly premium in addition to membership information. Chapter 2 includes important phone numbers and contact information. Chapter 3 explains medical service details such as working with your doctor, how your network works, referral circles, and what to do in a medical emergency. Chapter 4 is the most important section because it includes the benefit chart, which lists all your benefits and their costs. If you're unsure if a service is covered or how a specific benefit works, this is the place to start. If your plan includes prescription drug coverage, your EOC will have prescription drug information, including charts that list drug copayment amounts. The EOC also provides information on your rights and responsibilities and what to do if you have a problem or complaint. The last chapter in the EOC includes a glossary of terms. You either receive your EOC through the mail or online through eDelivery. Because the EOC is a large book, eDelivery is a great way to get your EOC. It will always be available in your online account, and you can view it whenever you want. For more information about eDelivery or to sign up, just go to our website. If you have any questions about your EOC or any questions about how your benefits work, you can always give us a call. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this edition of the Medicare Minute.